Alright, so the reggae boys, you see that? Place dark. Place dark. Come back in and light now. People, welcome again to MG Sports TV. Sorry about the darkness. Definitely, here we go now. So the reggae boys will be playing USA in the first matchup in the Concacaf Gold Cup. I have to check if my can. But right now we're done by Anthony Spalding Sports Complex, as you can see. A lot of work are going on, definitely. But here we go on now, people. As me say, the first matchup in a Concacaf Gold Cup, Jamaica play against the USA. Now, this game is a game for us to set an example. This game is a game for us to make an early mark in the Gold Cup. But definitely, I do believe that most of us would want us to top the group, and this game would set the tempo to us stopping the group. If we want to stop the group, we must leave this stadium. I think it's playing in the Soldier Stadium. We have to leave the stadium with something. We have to leave the stadium with something. And with us leaving that stadium with something, it would set an example that, hey, we mean business, and this time around it's quite different. And I strongly believe that it's different. I believe that the mindset the reggae boys are in right now, with the inclusion of all the players that are coming in, I believe that there's a different mindset right now. As I said, and I continue to say that Mexico game is a mark, and it set a marker in Concacaf, and certainly it means something. But this match, the first match with the reggae boys, I'll be doing a video on each one of the games them and telling my thoughts on that. But this specific match, Jamaica versus USA, it means a lot, and it means we have to come out certainly to get a result in that game. We have played them more than enough time to know how they play, know their tricks, all the tricks that they have up their sleeve and what we can do. But certainly, I think we can get something from that game. And I think this is where we start off. This Gold Cup should be the Gold Cup where people in the Concacaf region should look at the Jamaica team and say, hey, you know what? They are doing something, and they are really gunning forward to make themselves one of the top guns in Concacaf. Because the truth is we're not. We believe we are, but we're actually not. If we were, we would have won the Concacaf, the Gold Cup or something like that already, but we haven't. So we can't really consider ourselves. We're big boys in the Caribbean, but not in Concacaf. But certainly, we have to do something in that region now. So the USA versus Jamaica game is going to be the biggest example of what our intent is going to this Gold Cup campaign, and also moving forward to the World Cup qualifiers campaign. Definitely, this is an opportunity for us to take this and make people look at us and say, Jamaica, they are doing something spectacular. Anyways, people, big up, massive respect. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. Big up, people, we're out.